Namaste. In this video, I am going to show how to split a design with a common overlap in Adobe Illustrator. Let's make new document with 120 by 72 inches, which is size of our design. Let's place our design, go to File, Place. Choose your design and click on Place button. Click left mouse button and align with artboard. Let's move design to the outside the artboard. We are going to split this design on half. First select artboard. So, let's split the 120-inch width artboard into two 60-inch halves. Alt plus Shift plus drag left mouse button to duplicate artboard. Align two artboards perfectly. To do that, go to Window, Artboards. Click on Three Lines from Artboards panel and choose Rearrange all artboards. Make spacing 0 and click on OK. Now, let's add a 1-inch shared overlap area for gluing the two halves together. To do that, select the left reference point to ensure the artboard only extends to the right, and add 0.5 inches to its width. Select second artboard and repeat same process, but this time select right reference point and add 0.5 inches to its width. Now this 1-inch width will be common on both pages. This is just a reference, so we don't need it. Let's delete it. Let's align our design to artboard. That's it. Now, we can save it as a PDF. Give name of PDF and choose your required settings. Let's check our PDF. This is our final PDF. What if we need the split at a different position instead of right down the middle? Here's how to do it. I've repositioned the design slightly. If we split it down the center, some of the text would fall into the glue area. To avoid that, we'll split the design into 50-inch and 70-inch sections instead. I'm using these two blocks as guides to determine the split position. Now select artboard and make width 50 inches. Duplicate artboard, align it, and give width of 70 inches. Now time to add common glue part. Select the first artboard, choose the left reference point, and add 0.5 inch to the width. Select the second artboard, choose the right reference point, and add 0.5 inch to the width. Now align the artboard. Delete those two reference blocks. This is our common overlap part. Now save it into PDF. And check our PDF. This is our final PDF. Thank you for watching.